Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. It relaxes the musculature from the pelvis all the way up to the cervical spine. And then you just take a plain, wet bath towel, wrap it around the neck, and you want it, the contact point is not around her neck choking her, but in the very back. You're going to notice that I get my fingers right back here on the occiput, and then I just watch her breathing and give it a straight vertical lift on the y-axis. Now, did you feel that all the way through?
I did.
Yep. Very good. She's been needing that too, and I always do their reflexes afterwards to show them that they're still kicking. And then we take this towel out of there, and the very next thing that I'm going to do, while she's in this position, and again her muscles are relaxed, perfect, I know you heard those, excellent. We have just adjusted her entire cervical spine from her occiput all the way down to C7. That is a diversified Palmer package move there. They like hearing those pops, so they don't like anything getting in the way of those. All our crack addicts out there. This is the way I recommend you sleep, with a couple big couch pillows under here, propping your legs up. And as you've seen before, we do pre and post reflexes, so there we go. Okay. Oh yeah, good job. Feel that one all the way deep. Okay, I got you. Let it go. That's it. Perfect. Ooh. Good job. Well, you needed that today. Yes. Oh yeah. Good job. Feel that one all the way deep. Okay, I got you. That's it. And a nice deep breath in. Okay, let me get my fingers in here better. There we go. Okay, deep breath again. There you go. Oh yeah, feel that? Drop this in right in my hand here. Perfect. That's it. That's just a good old Palmer diversified rotary brake.
Get a hold of his neck. You need to breathe and relax. Do that one more time.
Baby, that was perfect. Not much.
Relax.
Yep, good.
Excellent. One more over here. Very good.
I think you got one more. Let me let go of that a little better. Yep. Yep, that's it.
So,
Right. Let it all the way out. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that was all the way. Now we're going to adjust his cervical spine. Palmer diversified master rotary brake.